today's video you will learn another two important theorem to factorize any polynomial. See, I am just showing you this in this section. Factorization of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What will be the answer? I am just proving all these things, and it will be helpful for you to just remember all these things very easily in your mind. It is not required to just comment. It can be memorized automatically. See, in this video, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. If this is in this form, that is any polynomial is in this form. See, theorem number 1 is given. That is, this will be, we can write this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz in the form of C. I am just taking this x cube plus y cube in one term and also just z cube the other term and minus 3xyz. Now, in my previous class also you have learned that is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. You have already learned this one. We are just putting over here only. Then z cube minus 3xyz. See, we are now putting over here p equal to x plus y. Then x plus y equal to p cube minus 3xy into p plus z cube minus 3xyz. See, then p cube plus z cube, I am just taking 3xy common from these two terms, p plus z, and this is also another form of p cube plus z cube minus 3xy into p into z. So this is coming in the form of, this is coming in the p plus q. We can write it like this: p plus q, p cube plus q, z cube. We can write p plus q into p square minus pz plus z square, and just write it as it is. Now from these two terms, p plus z take common. Then what is remaining over here? That is p square minus pz plus z square minus 3xy. Now we are putting the value of p over here. That is p equal to x plus y. No? Putting the value of p. Putting the value of p. Here we are just putting x plus y plus z. This p square means x plus y whole square minus p into x plus y into z, pz plus z square minus 3xy. Now expand this one. X square plus 2xy plus y square is actually formula of this, and this is x into z minus y into z plus z square minus 3xy, and it is coming x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy, because this is minus 3xy plus 2y, minus xy minus yz and minus zx, minus zx. So this is actually the theorem number 1. If this is in the form of this polynomial, this will be the formula of this. That is theorem number 1 established. Now theorem number 2, what is telling? If x plus y plus z equal to 0, prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This is theorem number 2. Then we have, this is given x plus y plus z equal to 0. Then x plus y equal to, this is minus z, transpose this z from this side to that side. So after doing this, just do the cube both side. Cube both side. Cube both side. So we get what? X plus y cube minus z cube. That is x plus y whole cube. That is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y equal to minus z cube means minus z cube. So you just take this x plus y plus x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is actually minus z. It is already given, no? It is minus z, the z cube. Just take the z cube this side, it will be plus, and this will be plus into minus, minus, this will be coming that side. That is 3xyz. So this is the theorem number 2. So this is proved. With help of these two theorem, that is two formula, we will now solve the question answers of exercise number 3. Just try to solve all the problems of exercise number 3G. See, first one is given 3g, find the product. If it is given like this, so we have already learned that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square minus x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So applying this formula over here, see here it is given minus, so just take x square. So same formula you can utilize whether it is minus or plus. Just make it plus and just put minus inside, that it will be coming z. In this way x square plus y square plus z minus z square, your formula is minus xy, x into y, minus y into minus z, plus minus z into plus x. So it is coming, see, xy minus xy. So this is minus into minus plus yz plus zx. So this form can be just written in this form, and this is actually the formula of this. So we can just write it down, x cube plus y cube plus of minus z cube minus 3 into x, y and minus z, and this is coming x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus minus into minus is plus, so 3xyz, and this is your product. Now factorize if this is in the form of this, that is in the form of expand form. So this is number 5, 125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 60 abc. So 125 we can write 5 a cube plus b cube plus 4 c cube minus 3 into a into b into c. So this is actually in the form of, see, this is 60, 5 into 3, 15 into 4, 60 a b c. So this is actually in the form of this form. So we can write this form. So we can write that is with the help of this formula. This is coming 5a plus b plus c into a square. This 5a square means 25a square plus b square plus 16c square minus ab means 5a into b minus bc, that is 5 b into 4c, that is minus 4c, and 4c into 5a, that is minus 20ac, and this will be your answer. Next, see number 13. It is actually some roots are there, for this I am just showing you. So this is 2 root 2 a cube plus 16 root 2 b cube plus c cube minus 12 abc. See, 2 root 2 a cube means root 2 a cube plus 16 root 2 means 2 root 2 b cube plus 3 cube c cube minus 3 into a means 2 root 2a and 2 root t into c. So this is coming c. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, 3 into 2 is 6 into 2, 12. So 12 minus 12 abc has come. So it is in the form of that form, that is theorem number 1 form. So it is coming this a plus b plus c into a square means 2 root 2 square is 2 square, 2 root 2 b square means 8b square plus c square minus a into b, that is root 2a into 2 root 2b, that is 4ab minus 2 root 2 bc minus root 2 ac. So this is your answer. I am just applying this number 19. This is applying theorem number 2. See, here it is given a minus 2b cube plus 2b minus 5c cube plus 5c minus 3a cube. So if we are just putting this solution is putting 3a minus b equal to x, 2a minus 5b equal to 5c equal to y, and 5c minus 3a equal to z. What we get? X plus y plus z will be, so this plus this plus this, and this is just cutted off. So it is coming 0. So if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it will be 3xyz. Because theorem number 2 we have already just proved that if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz. So here we can just put this formula and just write this 3xy. 3xy, this you know, that is x is 3 into x is 3a minus 2b, y is 2b minus 5c, and z is 5c minus 3a, and this is in the product form. So this is the factor of this form. So I do believe for all sort of problems going through this video properly. And if you feel any problem, I'm just giving you my WhatsApp number 9830081667. Anytime, any moment, you can just contact with me. Thank you.